Hi, my name is Jenny Lee. At Art Academy, I teach both math and science. I'm also Miss Jenny, as the students call me. Particularly for the fall, I'll be teaching the accelerated math classes level 3 and 5, so typically grades 3 and 5. And then for the middle school classes, I teach the Young Scientists and Engineers level 3 and level 4 class. And then I also teach the Middle School Science Olympiad class. My philosophy in general is learn by example, and that has both to do with learning by doing, and then also learning by kind of relating things that you learned in terms of like, how does this apply to real life? What is the practical applications of this? You know, why do we care? With math, like, what's the point of learning calculus? Why do we need to know it? That kind of thing. So I just want to have the kids know, like, there is a reason for all of this. So especially from the summer, I remember developing that study habit or developing the learning habits of things like taking notes, writing down on their worksheets, writing down data for the science classes, being able to put things in charts and tables. It's a lot harder for me to monitor if they're taking their notes properly when we're going virtual. And another way, there's also for the science class, the activities, because for things like that I would have them do in person before, like all the engineering stuff is just virtually almost impossible. So I've been working to kind of combat those challenges with the developing study habits. Because it's harder for them to take notes, I've been making guided notes instead, so that it has most of the lesson filled in, and there will be like keywords that they'll have to fill in that they can only do if they're paying attention to the lesson. For the activities, I've been trying to do a workaround because I still want them to have some kind of idea of making their own design and being able to see it come to life. So I do understand a lot of the students aren't able to access materials on their own at home. Some of them can, some of them can't. So I just try to avoid that by not having them do it by themselves unless they want to. And instead, I kind of do like, I do the building myself. So I'll ask them for their input. They'll all come up with a design together as a class. So it still feels like they get to have some kind of input and they get to see it come to life in front of them. Anyone who's curious about taking my classes, I would say definitely just always try, because I'm going to do my best as long as you are reaching out to me. If I know that you need help, I will try my best to help you. So all the time, I'm trying to encourage like students to communicate with me. So if you don't understand something, or if it's just you're tired, I need you to tell me so that I can understand your perspective. So I just need them to tell me, and then I'm going to try my best to help you.